Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce myself? My name is Triwahyuni. I'm a student at Research and Evaluation Education doctoral degree in Jakarta State University. I also an employee in education institution that is BPK Penapur Jakarta. Now, I will give a presentation about my research. The title is Measuring the Profile of Indonesian Students in Creative and Independent Dimension through Project-Based Learning to Support Successful Studying at University. This topic is a part of my doctoral research regarding situational judgment test, Merdeka Kurikulum, Indonesian Students Profile. Success when studying at university, according to Van Herpen research, it is not only determined by academic ability, but it is also determined by non-cognitive aspects. Developing non-cognitive aspects, such as skills, have been cultivated since students was at schools before they go to university. Those skills are develop new ideas, solve problems with innovative approaches, manage their time well, and independence. On the other hand, Siren and Chan did a research that creative and independent skills enable students to become effective leaders, able to adapt and make meaningful contribution to the future. Students who have good academic ability tends to be more successful in studying at university. We can see how creative and independent skills give big impact to the future. Let us see our new curriculum, namely Merdeka Curriculum, especially at elementary and secondary school. The curriculum stated 6 profiles of Indonesian students. These are number 1, faith, devotion to God Almighty and having noble character. Number 2, global diversity. Number 3, mutual cooperation. Number 4, critical thinking. Number 5, creativity. And number 6, independence. Merdeka Curriculum is a national curriculum developed with the aim of realizing meaningful and effective learning in developing students' thought, will, body, and initiative as lifelong learners with the character of Pancasila. How the profiles can be achieved? Let us see the research come from Vogler and Wu. They found that lifelong learning skills also increase with the project-based learning. Sally, Bayer, Papastergiou found some benefits for students' future when the learning process conducted by project-based learning. Again, according to Vogler and Wu, also Woodinger and Quaresi, reported that project-based learning can improve problem solving and critical thinking skills. On the other hand, Berbeke, Miraben, Rodriguez, and Vogler gave another report that project-based learning can improve collaboration and time work skills. Implementation. The project-based learning in Curriculum Merdeka, specifically at elementary and secondary education in Indonesia, there are some number of project lessons in curriculum structure. Regarding assessment of project, there are 5 types of assessment in project-based learning. Those are questionnaires, tests, rubrics, interview, and reflection journals. The most widely used is questionnaire based on research result of Rodriguez et al. The self-reported scale was used by Besser and Detmers to complete the project-based learning assessment. Situation judgment test was not found to assess Indonesian profile in project-based learning. The aim of the research is to develop an instrument to measure the creative and independence profiles. This research uses tests by case studies based on situational judgment tests. As the method, Development of an instrument to measure the profile of Indonesian students was carried out in three fundamental stages. Number one, determining construct and operational definition. Number two, preparing test items. And number three, checking the validity of the instrument. Now, what is creativity? And what is independence? Actually, there is no unified definition of creativity. But according to Torrance, creativity is a combination of three factors, namely motivation, ability, and skills. Creative thinking is able to produce actual solutions to solve problems. The key factors for creative thinking are task orientation from simple to complex and situation orientation to find fundamental, operational, accurate, and comprehensive solution to problems. Creative thinking is able to produce work and or action that are original, meaningful, useful, have a broad impact on other people and the environment, have flexibility in thinking, in finding alternative solution to problems. Regarding independence, according to Maslow, independence is attitude and behavior of making your own decisions, managing yourself, taking the initiative, and being responsible in all things. Independent character is defined as not depending on other people and being responsible for one's duties and obligations. Being independent also means using energy, time, and thoughts to achieve the desired goals. Developing instrument was done with each dimension consists of sequences. Response consists of three types, namely most likely, most effective, and giving weight. Actually, there is one more type of response. It is divine priority. But this research only limited at three responses above. Each question item that asks for the most likely and most effective response is presented through a case study with four types of answer choices given a score of 1 until 4. The weighted responses are presented in the form statement items and respondents are asked to give a score of 1 until 5. The cases presented in the questions are cases that occur in daily life of high school students regarding their duties and responsibility as students. Examples: the selection of research samples was carried out using the cluster sampling method, namely 15 high schools in Jakarta, Indonesia. The respondents are 512 students, grade 12, and was selected by the stratified sampling method. Here we go to analyze. Before we continue with the analysis, we check Kaiser-Meyer-Orkin or KMO value. Whenever KMO more than or same with 0.5, the analysis can be continued. We can see at the table, at all questions have more than 0.5. So we can continue to analysis. The next analysis is exploratory factor analysis or EFA. Based on here stated that the loading factor value is influenced by the number of samples. If the samples is more than 350%, then the acceptable of factor loading is more than or same with 0.3. We can see at the diagram that is only question number 5 will be excluded because less than 0.3. The important analysis is model suitability test. Root mean square error of approximation is 0.054. It is less than 0.08. It means that good fit. Also, the Tucker-Lewis index or TLI value is 0.918. It means that relatively good fit. So, the conclusion are The instrument has a relatively acceptable level of suitability or model fit, except for question number 5, which needs to be removed from the instrument. One additional factor, apart from creativity and independence, emerges, which needs to be looked in deeply. The instrument can be used generally to measure project learning through a questionnaire containing case study-based questions. Thank you for staying tuned in my research presentation. Bye. Good morning.